Good afternoon, everybody. I've been looking forward to making this video for a long time. If you don't know me, my name is Robbie Lewis. I'm the owner and founder of Telemetry Flight Services. I spent 21 years in the military, and we can kind of get into that a little bit later, but all of my experience kind of led me here to building this weird little app for small UAS programs. When I retired, I didn't know what I was going to do, and I had conversations with people, and naturally those conversations led to, what do you do in the military? Oh, we have a drone program. So naturally I listened and I observed, and I saw the same story county by county all over the place, which isn't a bad thing. I'm not trying to disparage that at all. Everybody had good pilots, they had great equipment, they cared about the missions, but behind the scenes, the program itself was either hard to manage or they didn't know from a lack of education. Documents lived on shared drives or post-it notes or that one Excel spreadsheet that, Timmy has locked and he's on vacation so nobody can see anything. So I came up with a plan and I created the system that I wish I had while I was in the military. We can get into everything that FlightDesk does, but the core ideology behind it is before you step to go fly your aircraft, you check the app. In manned aviation, you check by the step desk and you do ORM and all these other things. And in the unmanned aviation world, you don't really do that, or if you do, it's not streamlined. So FlightDesk solves that problem. I spent a year building it here and there and late nights and in between other appointments and consultations and aircraft builds and everything else. And I've went through various different versions of it, and I've finally landed on something that I do believe will help programs. I'm not here to replace anybody's program. I'm not here to come in and wreck your world and tell you're doing everything wrong. I'm here to help you, and I'm here to help people further their programs and ensure that they're flying safely, and that information is captured and streamlined and disseminated the way that it should be. We're hoping for better readiness and, safer flying and all that kind of stuff. So at the end of the day, I'm excited. I've put a lot of, not really sweat equity because it's an app, but I've put a lot of time, a lot of thought, and a lot of effort into it. And over the next couple weeks, I'll be going through all the different features of the app, and I hope you guys follow along, check it out, give me feedback on it along the way. If you know somebody, Timmy, who owns the spreadsheet at your organization, that could probably use this app, have them comment below, send them the video, let them know that I'm out here trying to help people run their small UAS programs or drone programs more effectively and efficiently, because at the end of the day, that's what it's all about. I appreciate it, guys, and I'm looking forward to see where this goes. I'm looking forward to helping a lot of people out. I'm pretty excited, so stay tuned and fly safe. See ya.